Alright, we're going to be doing another Treatland unboxing. I went ahead and cut the box. I didn't open it yet. I just cut it all so I'm not on camera. Oh, struggling to open it with one hand. Alright, let's see what we got. Sweet. We got a Tomos brochure. That looks familiar. My buddy's got one of those. Thanks. Hey. Streetmate. Rail. At Rail on the Moped Discord, you have one of these. And Max on the Moped Discord has one of these. Those are sick. There's mine. Stock. Oh wow, it shows all the engine type, the drivetrain all of them have, the dimensions for everything, the fuel consumption of them. Wow. Sweet. Alright, let's not get too lost in the brochure. Looks like another Tomos brochure I got. These are only like $1.50, $2 a piece, so I'm a big Tomos fan. This is why I got these. More of the Streetmate. This dude's wearing Tommy Hilfiger. Oh, okay, it's just the mall. Side by side. Oh, I think I know what this is. Set this down real quick. Oh, yeah. Sweet. This is the Treatland pullover hoodie. Super sick. It's got the mopeds on it, the mushrooms. Man, that is sick. Can't wait to wear that on the moped. Alright, what else do we have? What is this? Set it down. All right. Got another gasket for the jug. These are the nice stickers I was waiting for. These are going on the Tomos. These are some shiny Tomos stickers. Got some reed gaskets. Let me set those aside. What else we got in here? Oh yeah. Got the 27 tooth sprocket. Some more top speed. Fuck yeah, we got a whole new tail light assembly. Brand new. My old one was just bad problems left and right. What else we got in here? Oh yeah, new horn. Sweet. It might even sound different. My old one, this bracket here broke on it, so the horn is just hanging around by the wires and not the bracket. So it's every time I turn or like go over a bump, you can just hear it moving around. All right, what is this? Oh yeah, we got all new engine studs for the case, and we got some more exhaust shit. Got the gasket, the exhaust studs. Hold it in better. We're gonna be putting on the Tomos now. New gaskets, some decal stickers, Tomos. New horn, new tail light, and new sprocket. Yep. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll post a video on YouTube with all the upgrades. I might even do some progress of me putting them on. I don't know yet. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share. Thanks again.